Sonopulse ultrasonic systems are perfectly suited for homogenizing food products for content analysis. They also enable quick sample preparation in biotechnology laboratories. These systems can be used to produce emulsions with the finest droplet distribution, as well as to enable the analysis of cosmetic products that are difficult to dissolve in water, ensuring optimal reproducibility all the while. The Sonopulse range can also be used to deagglomerate the finest powders made of graphite and other carbon compounds, and to degas carbonated beverage samples, all in a matter of seconds for purposes of analysis. All of these applications have already become everyday practice in many laboratories. Sonopulse ultrasonic technology sets high standards for result quality and reproducibility. It is also far less time-consuming than conventional methods are. Entire series can be prepared in the blink of an eye. To change samples, simply rinse off and dry the probe, then immediately treat the next sample with ultrasound. This facilitates an efficient laboratory routine by eliminating irritating intermediary cleaning steps. Sonication can be carried out by hand or with the use of a stand. If necessary, the sample can be cooled in an ice bath during sonication. Thanks to the Sonopulse Mini, even volumes in the microliter range can be treated. Ultrasonic technology has made the annoying process of decanting samples a thing of the past. There are ultrasonic devices available for all sample volumes, from Eppendorf tubes to Falcon tubes to laboratory tasks and beakers that can hold up to 2.5 liters. During sonication, intense cavitation bubbles form in the treated liquid. When these collapse, high shear forces and pressure differences of over 1000 bar are generated. As a result, even durable materials are thoroughly homogenized via microjets. The resulting flow movement also aids the mixing process. Sonopulse homogenizers also boast amplitude control. This ensures that the same volume of energy is always filled in, regardless of the medium's viscosity. Cell disruptions can be carried out quickly and precisely, without destroying cell content. Even demanding materials seldom require more than 3 minutes for optimal dispersion. After only a few seconds, many samples, such as ones of makeup, are perfectly homogenized. These extremely finely dispersed samples generate reproducible analysis values. On this point, the ultrasonic method is demonstrably better than conventional methods are. Best of all, it is perfectly compatible with certified processes. Sonopulse devices are distinguished by the long-term stability of the emulsions they generate, with droplet sizes down to the nanometer range. Sonopulse ultrasonic homogenizers effectively degas samples. Everyday laboratory work involves many materials that need to be homogenized, deagglomerated, degassed, or solubilized. These include bacteria, yeasts, fungi, algae, and especially microalgae. There is, however, only one technique that can be used to carry out these processes in a quick, simple, flexible way that delivers the best quality. Bandolin provides market-leading ultrasonic technology that perfectly equips you for all homogenization tasks. Thanks to a broad selection of perfectly coordinated accessories, you can create various types of compositions. Indirect sonication, which involves submerging containers in an immersion liquid, allows closed samples to be sonicated from the outside and cooled by the flow. This prevents cross-contamination. Our products provide continuous sonication in continuous flow processes to fulfill the highest laboratory and production standards. You can use the flow-through booster horn to mix two substances, such as oil and water, in keeping with predefined specifications. During the process, the two substances are led directly through the probe into the intense cavitation field at its tip, where they are homogenized. You can test the Sonopulse ultrasonic homogenizer with your own samples for 2 weeks free of charge. Please call us or send us a message if you are interested in this free, non-binding trial.